Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some nostalgic, vintage-inspired Hutch design and decorating ideas for your lovely home. Let's start the video. A nostalgic vintage-inspired Hutch design is a storage cabinet that recreates the warm, charming look of furniture from decades ago. It combines antique-inspired details with practical storage, making a room feel cozy, timeless, and full of character. Key features: distressed wood finish to give the appearance of natural aging, with soft vintage colors such as cream, white, shades cream, dusty blue, or natural wood tones. Glass front upper cabinets to display dishes, teacups, and collectibles. Open shelves for baskets, books, plants, or decorative items. Also decorative moldings and curved details that add classic elegance. Uses antique-style hardware like brass, bronze, or porcelain knobs. Lower cabinets and drawers to hide everyday storage. Next, styling ideas. Display vintage china, enamel pictures, or ceramic bowls. Add oven baskets for texture and organization. Decorate with jade flowers, lace runners, and vintage cookbooks. Mix old and new pieces to create an authentic collected over time look. Include warm lighting or small LED lights to highlight displayed items. A nostalgic vintage-inspired hut fits beautifully in cottage, farmhouse, English country, rustic, and shabby chic interiors, creating a welcoming focal point while offering plenty of practical storage. Here are some more decorating ideas to make your nostalgic vintage-inspired hut look beautiful and inviting. Number 1. Layer vintage dishes by placing larger plates at the back and smaller plates or teacups in front for depth. Number 2. Add seasonal touches like pumpkins in autumn, pine garlands in winter, fresh flowers in spring, or lavender in summer. Number 3. Use oven baskets on lower shelves to store linens, napkins, or kitchen essentials while adding warmth. Number 4. Display antique glass bottles in different shapes and colors to catch natural light. Number 5. Mix natural elements such as potted herbs, eucalyptus, dried wheat, or cotton stems with vintage decor. Number 6. Hang a small wreath on a cabinet door using a ribbon for a charming cottage feel. Number 7. Stack old books horizontally and place a small candles on top. Number 8. Include vintage kitchen items like enamel pictures, wooden cutting boards, rolling pins, or copper pots. Number 9. Use lace or linen shelf liners to soften the shelves and add nostalgic charm. Number 10. Create different heights by using cake stands, wooden risers, or stacked books so every item is visible. Number 11. Display framed botanical prints or small vintage photographs against the back of the shelves. Number 12. Add warm lighting with battery-operated LED candles or tiny fairy lights for a cozy evening glow. Number 13. Keep some empty space between decorative pieces so the hut feels elegant instead of crowded. Number 14. Repeat a color palette such as cream, shades cream, soft blue, and natural wood to create a harmonious vintage look. Number 15. Mix textures by combining ceramic, wood, wicker glass, and linen to achieve a collected over time English cottage style. These ideas will give your hut a cozy lived-in appearance that feels both nostalgic and timeless. A nostalgic vintage-inspired hut is more than just a storage cabinet. It is often the centerpiece of a room that tells a story. Every shelf is carefully arranged to create a sense of warmth, history, and comfort, making guests feel as if the furniture has been cherished for generations. Here are some additional details about this design style. Focus on a collected look. Instead of buying matching decorations, combine heirlooms, flower market finds, gifted treasures, and handmade pieces. The slight differences in color, shape, and age make the hut feel authentic. Beautiful back panel. Many vintage houses have bedboard, shiplap, floral wallpaper, or painted backs. This creates a lovely backdrop that makes dishes and decorative objects stand out. Everyday items as decor rather than hidden kitchen essentials. Display them beautifully. White plates, stoneware bowls, glass jars, teapots, wooden utensils, and linen towels become part of the decoration. Soft color harmony. Vintage houses usually feature muted colors like cream ivory, chess cream, dusty blue, filigree, and warm earth tones. These colors create a calm and welcoming atmosphere. Natural sign of age. Small scratches, unaged faded paint, and aged brass hardware are often embraced because they add character and a sense of history. Layering creates interest. Professional decorators often place items in layers. Use large serving platters at the back, medium-sized bowls or pitcher in the middle, small decorative objects like candles or flowers in front. This layering gives the hut depth and visual interest. Personal touches. A nostalgic hut feels more special when it includes meaningful items such as family photos, vintage recipe books, handmade pottery, embroidered linens, or souvenirs collected over the years. Cozy lighting. Adding warm LED hung lights, fairy lights, or small lamps inside or beside the hut creates a soft glow that highlights the display and makes the room feel inviting, especially in the evening. A well-styled, nostalgic vintage-inspired hut does not look like a showroom display. Instead, it feels lived in, welcoming, and full of memories, capturing the timeless charm of cottage, farmhouse, and English country homes. A storytelling page. A vintage-inspired hut is designed to tell a story. Every item on its shelves should look as though it has been collected over many years rather than purchased all at once. Mixing family heirlooms, antiques, handmade crafts, and gifted finds creates this timeless feel. Symmetry with a relaxed touch. Many vintage houses use balanced arrangements, for example, matching pictures or candlesticks on each side, but avoid making everything perfectly identical. A slightly relaxed arrangement feels more natural and inviting. Mixing open and hidden storage. The upper shelves are often reserved for beautiful display items, while the lower cabinet store everyday necessities such as table linens, serving dishes, or pantry items. This keeps the space both attractive and practical. Layer different materials. A nostalgic hut becomes more interesting when you combine different textures: smooth ceramic dishes, rustic wooden bowls, wicker baskets, clear or colored glass bottles, linen fabrics, aged metal accents. The contrast between these materials adds warmth and depth. Add fresh greenery. Even a small vase of wildflowers, eucalyptus, olive branches, or seasonal greenery can make the hut feel alive. Natural elements soften the furniture and bring the outdoors inside. Showcase handmade pieces, handmade pottery, crocheted dollies, embroidered linens, oven baskets, or carved wooden decorations fit perfectly with the nostalgic vintage style. These handcrafted items add personality and authenticity. Rotate the display. Instead of leaving the same decorations all year, refresh the hut with the seasons. This keeps it looking fresh while maintaining its vintage charm. Create visual balance. Distribute colors, heights, and shapes evenly across the shelves. If one side has a tall vase, balance it with another tall object or a stack of books on the opposite side. Let empty space breathe. Not every shelf needs to be full. Leaving some open space allows your favorite vintage pieces to stand out and gives the hut a calm, elegant appearance. A beautiful, styled, nostalgic vintage-inspired hut should feel warm, welcoming, and personal, like a treasure crate that has been lovingly passed down through generations, while still fitting comfortably into a modern home. Make it the room's focal point. A vintage hut naturally draws attention. Place it against a simple wall so its beautiful details, collections, and decorative displays become the centerpiece of the room. Embrace gentle imperfections. Vintage-inspired furniture often features softly worn paint, rounded corners, tiny dents, or a faded finish. The subtle imperfections give the hut a sense of history and authenticity. Display collections together. Rather than scratching items, group similar pieces for a crafted look. For example, white ironstone dishes, blue and white china, vintage teacups, amber glass bottles, copper or brass accents. A grouped collection creates a stronger visual impact. Use decorative backgrounds. The inside back of the hut can be painted in a contrasting color or lined with floral wallpaper, baseboard, or wood panels. This makes displayed items stand out beautifully. Blend old and new. A nostalgic hut does not have to contain only antiques. Mixing vintage treasures with modern handmade ceramics or simple glassware creates a fresh yet timeless style. Add soft fabrics, linen runners, crocheted dollies, embroidered napkins, or lace accents introduce softness and reinforce the cozy vintage atmosphere. Decorate in odd numbers. Designers often arrange accessories in groups of 3 or 5. Odd number grouping tend to feel more natural and visually pleasing. Include meaningful objects. The most charming houses display personal treasures, family heirlooms, travel keepsakes, old recipe books, handmade pottery, or cherished gifts. These items give the space personality and tell a unique story. Change small details with the seasons. Keep the main display consistent, but swap a few accessories throughout the year. Fresh flowers in spring, sunflower in summer, pumpkins in autumn, and evergreen branches or candles in winter. Create a cozy atmosphere. Complete the look with warm lighting nearby, natural wood furniture, oven baskets, fresh flowers, and soft, neutral colors. Together, these elements make the hut feel welcoming, nostalgic, and comfortably lived in. A well-designed and nostalgic vintage-inspired hut is not just a storage cabinet, it becomes a gallery of memories, craftsmanship, and timeless beauty that adds warmth and character to the entire home. Inspired by generations past, this style takes inspiration from furniture found in old farmhouses, English cottages, and country homes from the late 18th to the mid 19th. It captures the charm of handcrafted furniture that was built to last for generations. Handcrafted appearance. Many Pinterest-inspired houses feature details that resemble handmade craftsmanship, such as raised panel door, crown moldings, turned legs, decorative corbels, bedboard backing, glass paneled cabinet doors. This feature gives the huts a classic, timeless character. Rich oud character, whether painted or left in natural light, the grain and texture are often added to show. Finishes like weathered oak, pine, walnut, or reclaimed oak enhance the nostalgic feel. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.